Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications for your ULEFONE Note 13P. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store, because right here we'll need to download the app called Notify Buddy. So simply install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, grant two permissions to the app. First one being overlay permission, notification permission, and the last option in this app is battery optimization, and it's optional, so you don't need to disable it. But if the app doesn't work properly, you can go back and try disabling it. Now let's move on to the next step, and here click on OK. Now we can start using the app, and down here there's 4 tabs. First one is user, and in here you can choose any apps to allow for custom LED lamp notifications. So let me pick the Rare app. In the system you can find any system bound apps. In the active you can find all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like a size, shape, placement on the screen, color, whatever you want, but some of the options are locked behind the premium version of this app. Now let's click on the test button, and right here we can see the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.